Take a look at my face right now. This is without effects because I used it within 3 days and it worked magic on my face. I am not overhyping it. It is the facts. This is typical example that I don't use powder on my face, because okay, just like that, little like that. Hi everybody and welcome back. How are you all doing, guys? I am super excited today because I am finally making this video. So I think in my first shower routine I was saying I was going to share with you all the product I use to get rid of certain things on my body, like dark knuckles, stretch marks, sunburn, and a lot. So anyways, guys, today I'm just going to be talking about one particular product, which is how to get rid of sunburn. Take a look at my skin, take a look at my face right now. This is without effects, and normally you guys know I don't make videos with effects. So here is my face. I have to come closer so you see that I do not have sunburn there. So I'm currently not having any sunburn on my face, on my skin. And how did I get rid of it? It wasn't up to even 3 days when I started using this product. So I'm going to read out everything you need to know about this product, how you need to use this product. Stay with me to the end. And yes, if you love videos like this, kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Who doesn't want to have a beautiful skin? Yeah, so turn on the bell notification, subscribe to my channel so you always get notified each time I post a new video. So how to get rid of sunburn? I don't know, there was a particular product I used. I think I talked about it on my channel. There was a particular product I used that I started having sunburn. Normally, I don't have sunburn on my skin, but I noticed that thing and I was so worried. And guess who introduced me to this product? It was my sister. She told me that, sis, you need to use this product. I was in her place. I came visiting for like 2 days. So I stayed that night. I didn't use it. It was the second day that she was telling me that I need to use this product because I was complaining that I'm having sunburn. So guess what? The product is no other product than this. Though this is actually my first time hearing about this product. This is Nano Extra White. I'm going to put the picture right here so you see. It's Nano Extra White face cream. I think it has a soap, it has a body cream too, but this is the face cream. This is the only one I have used, and it is mainly for facial treatments, anti-spots, burns, which is sunburns, wrinkles, and stretch marks remover. Okay, so it has SPF 50% of SPF. 50%. SPF is sun protection formula, right? So it has SPF of 50% with pomegranate extracts, formula for people of color. So anybody, any skin type can use this product for face sunburn. If you have sunburn on your face or you have anything on your face and you want to treat it, that's why it says facial treatment. I use it not less than 3 days and I saw results. I had to go as soon as I was going home that the next day, I had to buy it. I got it for 2,200 naira. My sister told me, no, I got mine for 2,000 naira. My sister told me that she got it for 2,200 naira. So I got mine for 2,000 naira. Okay. So you enter into any cosmetic shop or any supermarket and ask them, supermarket that they have skincare products, tell them that you want to buy Nano Extra White face cream. Okay, so they are going to give it, and it is not, there are different types, but it is this particular one. Tell them that you want the one that have night and day. Now let me open it. When you get it, it is sealed like this, and when you open it like this, it has two inside. Okay, it has night and it has for day. So when you are getting it, tell them to give you the one that is 2-in-1. This is the carton once again. So why it is 2-in-1? Because it has day and it has night. You can see night is written here and day is written here. Now the day one is yellow in color like this, while the one that is night is white. Okay, so when you wake up in the morning, make sure to wash your face very well. Wet your face. Why I say wet your face? Because this product is actually very sticky. This video is not sponsored, please. I made it because I use the product and I like it and I want to share it with you all. Okay, so wet your face. This is day. Let me do it. This is typical example that I don't use powder on my face, because of some things like this, and actually do it with confidence. So after washing your face, make sure that there's a little water on your face. You wet your face like that, and then you open the day on. If it's day, you do the same thing. If it's night, you do the same thing. Make sure it's a little portion so that to not be too much. Okay, just like that, little like that, and then you rub it. When you rub it, you see that that place is going to turn white. Okay, you can see, but it's going to clear up. That white is just going to disappear. It's just the cream. So you can rub all over your body, or all over your skin, your face like that, and that is it. I assure you, within 3 days, because I used it within 3 days and it worked magic on my face. I am not overhyping it. It is the facts. So that is it. Thanks for watching. If you want more product review, comment in the comment section what product do you want me to review about it. If I've used the product, I'm going to talk about it. Thank you all so much for watching, and remember, it has day and night. Tell them you want nano extra white face cream that is 2-in-1, day and night, not one like this. They say day and night. I've not used those ones. This is the one I've used. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.